Every trader thinks the market is the enemy, but the truth is, your biggest opponent is you. You build a plan, then ignore it. You say you take only high probability trades, then you chase a trade because it feels right. Here's the uncomfortable truth. If you can't even respect your own rules, then why should the market respect you? And that's why most traders lose. Not because their strategy is broken, but because their self-discipline is. If you don't know me, I'm Kojax Pro, a swing trader, and I've been at this game for over 3.5 years. I did say in my previous videos, and I'm going to say it again here, that the mental side of trading has a lot more to contribute towards the profitability of a trader than the actual chart itself and the best of strategies. I had many strategies when I started out. I was changing them like day clothes. I only got better when I started to embrace the psychological aspects of trading. So in this video, let's delve into the concept of discipline and why you should apply it to your trading in order to see better results. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Now let's get into the video. Most people don't realize this, but trading is the only profession where no one is watching you fail in real time. There's no boss, no client, no manager. You are the planner, the executor, and the saboteur. You set the rules, but when it's time to follow them, suddenly your emotions are louder than your logic. And that's the core problem. You can't be in a system that punishes indiscipline while being the most undisciplined person in the room. I remember one Friday years back, while I was still in the starting phase of my trading. I told myself I was done for the week. I had hit my targets, but then I opened the charts once more and saw another setup forming. I then convinced myself, just one more won't hurt, right? The setup wasn't clean. It didn't even meet my criteria anyway. But then I jumped in. 20 minutes later, I hit stop loss. In this loss, I gave back a huge chunk of the week's profit. Not because the market beat me, but because I didn't respect my own word. That trade wasn't about strategy. It was about self-respect, and I broke it. The reason why most traders stay stuck isn't because they don't know what to do. It's because they don't trust themselves to actually do it. Every broken rule weakens that internal trust. You might not feel it immediately, but over time, your confidence erodes. You hesitate, you second guess, you revenge trade. The market doesn't need to punish you. You're already doing it yourself. So here's your challenge this week. Pick one rule you constantly break. It could be trading outside of session time, over leveraging, skipping journaling, and commit to enforcing it for 5 straight days, no exceptions. Because every time you follow through on one rule, even in silence, your trust builds. And a trader who trusts themselves is unstoppable. Not because the market gets easier, but because your discipline gets stronger. The market doesn't owe you consistency. But if you can consistently respect your own rules, you stop needing the market to go your way because now you are the edge. So ask yourself, are you treating your rules like suggestions or like promises? If this hit home, shoot me a comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.